To lead a group discussion and also to contribute to the discussion from time to time, you'll need to develop a set of leadership characteristics. In this module, we'll learn about what is evaluated in the group discussion. Let's begin with content and communication skills. Content will continue to rule for all the times to come. The organizers of the GD will have their own criteria set in terms of who they are looking for. But if you can impress the team with your knowledge and research, it will be a big advantage. You must possess a thorough understanding of the topic on which you're supposed to speak. Show your grip on the topic. Prepare yourself to talk on a wide range of subjects. Display your depth of knowledge. Show your originality of views and clarity of thought. Finally, the ability to present different points of view logically and systematically. If subject knowledge is important, communication skills is more important, as without expression, the knowledge is of no use. As the exchange of ideas in a GD takes place through speech, one of the prerequisites for success in a GD is the ability to speak confidently and convincingly. So check the quality of your voice. Is it forceful and impressive? Do you have the right pitch and tone? Can you modulate your voice for effect? Assess the quality of your voice and take feedback. You'll be able to speak much better once you know these things about your voice. Only when your expressions are clear, you can convince your team and the panel. More than words, it is the tone in which they are spoken that conveys the message. Here are some more points which fall under the communication skills umbrella. Logical ideas and fluent language will make other participants listen to you. Proper articulation of words achieved through phonetic accuracy is very essential. Slang and artificial accents must be avoided. Use apt language and display proper non-verbal clues. Good communication skills includes active listening, clarity of thought and expression. One of the weaknesses of most participants is we love to listen to our own voice rather than listen to others. Listening is an important skill as is speaking in a GD. So listen well. Practice makes everyone perfect. Communication skills is not something that you develop overnight. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll find some wonderful results for all the hard work that you've put in. All the best.